public. I mean, it's not really public. You can't enter the building.
You can't enter the building, but it's funded by the taxpayers. This is public property. I'm not going. My intentions is not to go and break inside of a correctional facility.
What are your intentions?
To take pictures and video from public.
Well, exactly. Yeah, but
my name is Sean. I told you.
There's no video required here. So
well, no, I saw that. I saw that sign as soon as I came up here, and I understand that anybody could put a sign. You could put a sign that there was, no people of color coming into this building, whatever the case may be. It could be any type of sign you could put up there, but that doesn't make it lawful, and it doesn't mean that it's attached to any sort of statute.
So you're not going to be allowed to videotape it, though.
So what lawful reason can I not video? Because I have a constitutionally protected right, a First Amendment under for freedom of press.
Spit the laws out.
I mean, spitting the laws out as a law enforcement officer, yeah. It kind of seems like that's what you want, right?
Yeah, but when video is restricted here.
But that's not a law. You're a law enforcement officer. It's not a law. If you could find me a law that says I can't video here, we could talk then. I don't see how a law can override the United States Constitution. That you took an oath, right?
When you went to the courthouse the other day, then they kicked you out. What was your?
Oh, I left voluntarily under threat of arrest.
Yes.
They'll be getting well,
that's
a federal lawsuit.
Well, I'm just trying to tell you that's what's going to happen here because you're not allowed to videotape here, so you can just.
But there's a difference because there was a judge's order.
Be busy then. Like I'm just telling you that's
there's a judge's order in the courthouse apparently that we'll find that out in the lawsuit. But
yeah.
There's no order here. There's no law. So for what reason?
Directly for the prison, but
okay.
I understand that is what they're saying that there is. So I don't know that specific policy that they have, but I'm sure it's very similar with the one that the judge has. So
well, a judge's order is a lot different than a policy.
Well, no, yeah, well, it's the judicial system right here, so it's going to be similar for a judge's order versus.
Can I speak to a supervisor?